Alright. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Miss Elsie, Mr. Fabian, Mr. Eric, and everyone. My name is Marcel Jojo Wu, and today, as part of the Australian Tech Study Tour, I'm going to present one of my experiences I had during the tour. I'm from grade 11, which is surprising since I'm actually the only grade 11 there. So I don't have much, I don't know most of the lower grades because I only know only a few of them. But unfortunately, none of them actually also joined me. So it was actually a surprise. I only know Mr. Eric at this time. But it taught me a lot because I'm in a foreign continent. Never been to another continent in my life. This is the first time I've been there. So it was very challenging for me to actually adapt to the current situation. It taught me a lot of lessons. One of the lessons being independence. Okay, imagine you being in a foreign continent without any of your parents, only just knowing a few people who can actually help you. But I was able to overcome it. I actually had quite a lot of fun. And there's another second thing that actually I've learned is that you should always try to have fun. You're in a foreign continent, and there's lots of fun things to do. I get to program, I get to paint, and many things. So you need to appreciate the little things in life, the little things in journeys that you need to look over and just try. Maybe you'll like it. If you're not. And number 3, there's lots of many new faces and people you meet along the way. Don't forget to actually have a good conversation with them. Try to communicate with them. It'll build your social skills. It'll make you seem more friendly. Trust me, building connections with new people is always a good thing to start off when you're in another place. And I wish this speech was able to inspire you all to try new things. I want you all to actually join many of the study trips, including from Buya, Linus, because this taught me a lot. And I was very happy to be a part of this study group. Thank you. Cheers.